Welcome! In this video we are going to show you a Power BI report which contains the outcome of an audit. The data of the audit is produced by Power BI users in a subscription. The data is extracted incrementally by executing a PowerShell script. Then it's inserted in Azure's database. The regularity in which the data is extracted depends on the configuration of the job responsible for the script's execution. However, we highly recommend it to be executed daily. Firstly, in the Operations tab we can find the total amount of operations carried out so far. We also have a table which answers the question who has visited which activity and what is its name. Moreover, a bar chart shows the top 7 users that have connected to any activity. Besides, another horizontal bar chart gives us the total amount of operations carried out. Finally, a vertical bar chart shows the count of operations by date. All this information can be filtered by a user ID as well as a date range. In the Activities tab, a bar chart shows the number of users that have visited the different activities. Moreover, a table gives us information about the visited datasets and their names as well as a total amount of them. Finally, 2 pie charts indicate the origin of the connection with regard to the email account and the API they've connected from respectively. All this information can be filtered by date. We can also see a chart relating the user ID to the operation visited as well as the hour it happened. All this information can be filtered by the user ID, operation ID and date range. The Comparatives tab shows the total amount of operations in the last and current year. Moreover, 2 bar charts also show the number of operations carried out in the last and current year by month.